In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your dashboard layout in Wrike for better project oversight. Let's start right inside Wrike. First, make sure you're in the project's dashboard. This is the central place where you'll see your key widgets like tasks, projects, and any custom views you've set up. If you're not already there, open Wrike, go to your dashboard section, and choose the project's dashboard from the list. Give it a moment to load so all your widgets appear correctly. Once your project's dashboard is open, look for the option labeled Change Layout. This is usually located near the top of the dashboard area, around where you see the dashboard name and settings. Go ahead and click on Change Layout. This is the main control that lets you switch how your widgets are arranged and how you visually scan your work. When the layout options appear, you'll see a choice that says something along the lines of Widgets are organized into columns that scroll horizontally, best for oversight and Kanban-like boards. Select this option. Choosing this layout will rearrange your widgets into vertical columns that you can scroll through from left to right, similar to a Kanban board. This is especially helpful if you manage work by stages, such as To Do, In Progress, and Completed, or if you need a quick, high-level overview of multiple work streams at once. After you select that column-based layout, your dashboard will update. Take a moment here to scroll horizontally and see how your widgets are now organized. This view should make it easier to track status changes, spot bottlenecks, and quickly move between different task groups. If something doesn't look quite right, don't worry, you can always change it again. Next, we'll fine-tune things a bit. Click on Change Layout once more. Sometimes, after you've tested a layout, you may want to adjust it or just confirm that you're using the best option for your workflow. Opening the Layout menu again is a good habit whenever you're optimizing your dashboard. From here, you might see additional visual options or highlights in the interface. Click on the highlighted layout choice to confirm your selection, then click on the next highlight to finalize and apply it. These highlighted areas usually guide you to the recommended settings or confirm the layout you already picked. Once that's done, your project's dashboard is now using the horizontal, column-based layout, ready to give you clearer oversight and a more Kanban-style experience in Wrike.